Hello my fellow knitters, it's Debbie here. I've got a quick video for you for anybody interested in working on the Sophie Shawl by Petite. I'm using a finger in weight yarn here, variegated. It's got different purples, mauves and lilacs in it, and then I'm holding it with a merino yarn, which is a sport weight, also lilac. Now, I'm making this for my mum actually. These are her favourite colours. She loves mauve, lilac, purples. And it's a really nice, straightforward project. You are going to be knitting all of the stitches. So it's wonderful. It's a lovely garter stitch shawl. And you're going to knit until you reach the last 3 stitches on your left-hand needle. And then we're going to bring the yarn to the front of the work and we're going to slip those last 3 stitches. Now the reason we're doing this is to create like a built-in icord on both sides of the shawl, and it's lovely. It gives it a really nice finish. So let's just get along to those last 3 stitches. Okay, here we go, almost there. Here we are. So we're going to just bring the yarn to the front, slip those last 3 stitches purlwise and turn the work. Now we're going to do exactly the same thing on the next row. I will suggest that once you get the first stitch on, you pull tightly. Pull that, because this is what is creating your icord. If you don't, you may have some sort of loose fibre on the other side, and that's not what you want. You don't want to see it. So as you can see, it's a very simple knit. It's quite a mindless knit. You can definitely be watching a TV show. It's great for if you're travelling, a passenger of course. So there you go, let's have a look at this icord. So as you can see, that pulling that round just wraps it all around there. And you've got a beautiful finish on both sides of this shawl. Now it is a paid for pattern, so you would need to purchase the pattern. The pattern will tell you when to increase, because you do increase every certain number of rows. And that's what gives it the shape from sort of like an elongated triangle shape. It's very, very straightforward. It's nice and simple. I think it's a good beginner knit actually. So if you are looking for a good beginner knit, I would recommend this. So as you can see, it's gradually growing. I'm not at the middle yet, but I'm going to keep going along so that when it is big enough, you then start decreasing instead of increasing. So this is the Sophie Shawl. I think it's a great project for beginners, or a great project if you just want a mindless knit. I am certainly enjoying knitting it. I'm loving how the colours are coming out on mine, but as you can see, a plain one here does just as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.